Wilton aluminum performance pans are a classic addition to your kitchen for delicious cake baking and so much more. Aluminum is an optimal material for baking. It heats quickly and evenly and cools down fast. But the aluminum used for our Wilton Performance Pans takes it a step further because they're made with anodized aluminum, which is aluminum made with a safe finishing process that helps your pans resist rust, which means you get great baking results for years to come. Our cake pans are also designed with straight sides, so they're ideal for decorating. And the aluminum construction means your cakes bake evenly, without any hot spots. From baking sheets to extra deep cake pans, Wilton Performance Pans are the perfect fit for any baker. When you're baking and cooking more at home, you need pans and baking sheets that will hold up day after day, like our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel and durable premium nonstick coating promote even baking. The oversized handles make them easy to grab and move around the kitchen, even while wearing oven mitts. The nonstick coating also keeps food from sticking, so your baked goods slide right off. Cakes, muffins, and cookies stay intact and not on the pan. And the best part is, all of our Perfect Results pans are dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean. Durable, dependable, and easy to clean, our Wilton Perfect Results Premium Nonstick Bakeware line is your go-to for any recipe, any day, from dinner to dessert. Whether you're just starting or you've been baking and cooking at home for ages, our Recipe Right Nonstick Bakeware line has a pan to fit any recipe. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. Each pan comes with handles so you can easily maneuver them in and out of the oven, and the reinforced nonstick coating keeps food from sticking so cleanup is easy. And they're dishwasher safe, which means washing them takes little time and effort so you can enjoy cooking at home even more. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. So grab your favorite recipes or find some new ones. Wilton Recipe Right Nonstick Bakeware is the perfect set to enjoy every day baking and cooking.
I love to doodle, I love to draw, but most of all, I love to cook. And you'd be surprised how little you need to create something delicious in your kitchen.